beyond FOIL and multiply some larger polynomials. We still use distributive property, so the main idea is to multiply x squared times everything in the second polynomial, and then multiply -4 times everything in the second polynomial. But I have suggestions about how best to set that up. I like to stack them just for organizational purposes, like this. And then think of it as a 3-digit number times a 2-digit number, because it is the same kind of distribution actually as that kind of multiplication. So I'm going to multiply -4 straight up times the -5, which makes 20. And then -4 times x, which is -4x, etc. So -4 times 2x squared is -8x squared. Now I'm going to multiply x squared times everything in the top polynomial, starting with -5, and line it up with the like terms below there. So x squared times -5 is -5x squared. So I'm going to write it where it's easiest to add like terms later. X squared times x is just x to the 3rd power, and x squared times 2x squared is 4x to the 4th power. Now I'm going to add straight down, which is just like collecting like terms. We don't have very many, so this is the answer. There you go. Let's try a bigger one. Similarly, I'm going to take that smaller polynomial and rewrite it below the larger polynomial and multiply starting with the 7. So 7 times -3, 7 times 8x, 7 times 5x squared, and 7 times 2x to the 3rd. Next, multiply -3x times everything and line things up. So -3x times -3 is positive 9x, which goes under the 56x. -3x times 8x is -24x squared. -3x times 5x squared is -15 x to the 3rd power. And finally, -3x times 2x to the 3rd is going to give me 6x to the 4th power. Now I have another term, so I'm going to make another row. X squared times everything. So times -3 would give me -3x squared. X squared times 8x. X squared times 5x squared. X squared times 2x to the 3rd. Okay, and now we just add like terms, and since I've got them in the stacked fashion, it's a lot easier to put them in order by descending powers and combine like terms. So there's my highest powered term, and then we just continue across. And there's our answer. Whether you stack them up or you choose to leave them in the given format, just remember it's all about distribution. You need to multiply every term of one polynomial by every term of the other polynomial. The order does not matter. At the end, the standard way to leave your answer is from highest power to the lowest power of the variable.